we've left Kit Hill.
Only down to a tea room though. We had a drive around Callington,
but not much there, was it?
Well, there wasn't very much easy to park in for the van, really, was there?
Not really, no. So we've come here. We've got coffee. It's only just down the hill from Kit Hill, isn't it?
Mm.
But we are being very good because we're sharing a cake. Isn't that good? When it's wet and rainy, you have to make some plans. Where are we?
Callington, which is just where Kit Hill, where we stayed last night. We've just come down towards Callington. We're on this road here, where the P is, really.
Mm-hmm.
So we either go down south, to the south coast. We want to stay around Tintagel way, though, don't we?
Well, really, it'd be nice to go to Tintagel Monday, Tuesday-ish, because the kids will be back at school. It should be quieter. Well, that's a map, and I don't do maps.
I've got mini shrapnel unless you've got change of a part. Happy with that? Yeah.
Hello.
Back again.
Hello.
Those are
You come,
Oh, wow.
on that rail.
Wow.
you come to see our schooner, have you?
Yes.
I was having a cup of tea when he came back to tell me.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Peter says about Charlestown.
Yeah. Between post 10 and 11. Okay, thank you. For 3 miles.
Lovely. She's lovely.
Yeah. Good, I'm getting out of the way. Getting killed in the rush here.
Are they wild or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, the pioneers? Or the schooner? Or?
The people. You say she's about 3 miles?
Yeah, yeah.
Doesn't look 3 miles, is it?
I'll give you her exact distance in a minute. Yes, she's moving fairly steadily.
And she's a training ship.
Yeah. Yes. She's Pelican of London. Her range is 2.497. Her bearing is 233.4.
Nah, it's a pair of binoculars, isn't it? Oh, hello, I didn't see you.
Closest point of approach will be 0.629 nautical miles.
You missed the ferry. It's going across it.
Right.
You can just see the tail wake there.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you've got a lovely view to work at.
Yeah. From 90 to 340, something like that.
Were you a sailor?
No, I was a lorry driver.
Oh, right.
Well away from it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it's a civil service.
Alright.
There ain't no answer to that.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you.
quite welcome.
Have a good day.
Cheers.
Take care.
Right.
Oh, are you coming in? Did she come say hello to you? She. Out there,
I don't know if you'll see it on the film.
on the film.
That is Eddiston Lighthouse.
Is it?
Yeah. 8.5 miles away.
Well, nobody knows where my rosemary goes. Now, there's a song from the past for you oldies. It's nice to see the sea.
Might get in it.
We will get in
Later
it.
on.
If not today, this next few days. I think we're definitely on a headland.
Yeah.
Memory step. It's different. What a view! Hiya.
Not sure what it is yet. It's a gun placement. Well, look at it. Well, it has had guns on it. There's the square-sailed trading ship, schooner I think it is. And out there somewhere, the Eddiston Lighthouse. I've lost it now. What?
The lighthouse.
That there.
Oh yes.
Got Plymouth just round. Just round that corner is Plymouth. This is a tall point. Well, that's looking west towards Seaton. Obviously further along to Land's End, the Lizard, Land's End. Don't jump!
Don't need to jump, they'll be funny. Have a look in here. Looks like it should have been an old chapel, doesn't it?
The tea light there. There you got the ring. What? Phones.
No. Very sheltered in here. And the horses use it.
Yes.
Nice little walk.
It's got a few tea lights there.
Right down.
I think it's time to go.
That was interesting then.
Very.
Nice little walk.
It was nice. The Coast Guards were very friendly and helpful.
Yeah. So, well, you went back in, didn't you, and asked about the building?
The chapel, St Michael's Chapel, and all right. Thank you.
St Michael's Chapel.
St Michael's Chapel. We'd say 13th, 12th, 13th century. It's still consecrated, and they hold a service there every so often, probably to keep it consecrated. And you can still get married there. So nice little walk.
What was the lady saying about the congregation?
It's a faff to get there for a service. She said, but
After
and when
350 yards, turn left.
You doing so wrong.
She does interrupt. And when you do get there, it's usually full of ponies. So
Ponies and horse poo. Or pony poo.
pony food. So, but yeah, very nice. Very
It was a
interesting.
nice little walk. Stunning views. We're not used stunning on this trip yet.
We haven't.
Stunning views.
It's the first view that we had of the coastline, isn't it?
It's really, yeah. But it is full stop. Very nice. And it was nice to be able to get out walking. And you're just checking to see if there's a geocache.
I am.
Because it's a little chapel here or a little church here. And if you are into geocaching, back at that chapel we've just been at, there is a geocache there. but we didn't have the phones with us, so we didn't check till we got back, so Keith had to go back for it. Well, he didn't have to, but he wanted to.
And there's one here as well.
Is there?
Yeah.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.